Hello everyone, my name is Tanisha Jaiswal and I am currently pursuing English literature. So one thing that I have been seeing a lot on different social media platforms these days is that people are going crazy about aesthetic notes. There are many students, there are many people who write aesthetic notes that beautifully written with use of different colors, different sketches, even though they look stunning and very pretty, and I'm not against that, but I don't feel that they are the standards each and every student has to maintain while writing notes. Like any other thing, notes are personalized and they are different for everyone. So no student has to take the pressure that they have to write aesthetically pleasing notes. The notes should be doing job for you. They should be informational, they should be short, they should be precise, and they should just be neat and clean and just fit your needs. They need not to be very beautifully attractive to any other person. They just have to fit for you. As there is no one size fits all in any other thing, the same case goes with notes. I just want to make this video because I feel like somehow and somewhere there is that unaddressed pressure on the students to make that beautiful looking notes, even though that may work for some people they who like to writing these kind of notes, and that's totally up to them and that's good thing. But I don't think a majority of students would like and would want to write those kind of notes, as they take a long time to write it. So there is no grudge against the people or the students who like to write that kind of notes, but I think this video should take that undue stress that students are taking for writing aesthetic notes. I think it's okay to write your notes the way that you want. It's completely fine. Thank you.